In this video, I'll show you how to fix this app version is deprecated. Please update your app problem on Facebook Messenger. Make sure to follow the steps carefully till the end. First, open your Play Store. Tap the search bar and type Facebook. If you see an update available, tap Update and wait for it to finish. Next, go back to the search bar, type Messenger, and update the Messenger app as well if an update is available. Once both apps are updated, return to your home screen and open your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management, depending on your device. Now in the search bar at the top, type Facebook. Tap on Facebook, then go to Storage. Tap Clear Cache, then go back and tap Force Stop. Confirm by selecting OK. After that, repeat the same process for Messenger. Search for Messenger inside your apps list, tap on it, go to Storage, tap Clear Cache, then go back and tap Force Stop. Confirm again with OK. Finally, return to your home screen and restart your phone. Once your phone powers back on, open Messenger. The problem should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tech fixes.